Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day number 22 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. And here we go. We're going to do the reveal really quick, and I am getting better at figuring out where the numbers are just because there's only 3 left. There's only 3. Amazing. And it is more dies. Oh, wait, no, sequins. This is sequins. Ooh, they're pretty. They're pinkyish, orangish. I don't know. They're really pretty. So I decided really quickly what I wanted to do here, which is amazing because usually it takes me a while of pondering. But I decided I wanted to do a cool tag, shaker tag with this. And I've never actually done this before, but it literally just came to mind when I saw these sequins. So I have 2 strips of cardstock that are the same size. And we are cutting them both down to a tag. And I could have used a punch on this, but I didn't want there to be the hole in the front card. So we're going to take that punch and we're going to punch only the back one. So there you go. You see that I punched the back one. Apparently I went off camera when I did that. And I have a clear piece of, it's actually a page protector. It's not acetate. It's a page protector. And we are going to trim it down sort of to size. So it's a little bit bigger than the tag. And we are going to put tape, strong double-sided tape on the back of this, the front tag with the no hole in it. And then we are going to fold the acetate over and trim it down where necessary. I do trim the corners at an angle just so it's not so bulky and messy. And then we're going to dump the sequins in there and close it up. And we taped the back. I don't know if I skipped over that part in the video, but I taped the... Alright, so I taped the back layer of the tag to the front sequin pouch. And now I'm going to figure out a sentiment. And I'm going to use the For You dies from earlier in the advent calendar. I'm going to do the shadow part in the vellum and the words in the glitter. And I will spare you the boredom of watching that part. And there's the shadows. And here's the words. And we are gluing them all together. And now I'm gluing them together. Picking them apart and gluing them together, yes. And I put it on hyperspeed because it took me way too long to do that. And we're going to glue it to the front of the tag. And now we are going to thread that rickrack stuff, I think that's what it's called, through the hole in the back of the back layer of the tag. And I did use the same double-sided strong adhesive tape to adhere the 2 layers of the tag together. So we're going to figure out how to thread that through there. And I'm going to use the pokey tool now to pull it through. And then we're going to just fish the ends through the loop of it. And then I can easily tie it onto a gift when I'm ready to give it to someone. Most likely it'll be for a birthday because it's cute. And I love it. I've never made a tag like this before, but I thought it turned out pretty cute. When I cut the angles on top, I did take the one side of discarded cardstock and hold it on to the other side so that they would be even. I don't know if there's a better way to do that or what, but you can tell me in the comments below if you have a better idea when you're cutting a tag, how to make it, even. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and here are some other videos you may enjoy. Come back tomorrow and see what we got going on for day 23. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.